If you want to study in Indonesia with full funding, the KNB Scholarship 2026 to 2027 is one of the best options for international students. In this video, I will explain the key benefits, the deadline, who can apply for bachelor's, master's, and PhD, and the exact step-by-step application process. The scholarship is called Beasiswa Kemitraan Negara Berkembang, also known as the KNB Scholarship. It's a prestigious scholarship offered by the government of Indonesia for international students, especially for applicants from developing countries. The scholarship has been running since 2008, and it has supported many students from dozens of countries. The scholarship partners with many Indonesian universities and keeps expanding each year. KNB Scholarship Objectives. The main goals of KBN Scholarship are to support human resource development in developing countries, to promote cultural understanding and stronger relationships, and to improve Indonesian universities' research capacity and global ranking. When you apply, your future plan should match these goals, especially how your study will benefit your country. KNB Scholarship Summary. Key points: level of study, undergraduate, master's, PhD. Institution, 47 Indonesian universities. Program duration, undergraduate 4 years, master's 2 years, PhD 3.5 years. Next is courses offered. It includes major fields like humanities, engineering, science, health-related fields, social sciences, education. Choose a field that matches your previous education and documents because you'll upload transcripts and certificates as proof. The application deadline. The deadline for KNB scholarships is March 31st, 2026. Start early because you'll need embassy letters and medical tests. Now let's go to KNB scholarship coverage. You get a settlement allowance when you arrive in Indonesia. Your tuition is covered for the BIPA Indonesian language program and the regular academic program for the full scholarship duration. You receive a monthly living allowance while you are living in Indonesia. You also get monthly research and book allowances during your scholarship period. Health insurance covers illness and accidents, outpatient and inpatient, based on the insurer's policy, but it does not cover cosmetic treatments. For master's and PhD students, there is funding support to publish one scientific article during the scholarship period. And you get economy class flight tickets for arrival to Indonesia and return home after graduation, plus local transport between the airport and your university. Eligibility criteria. Eligible countries, all countries, and English test scores differ by level. Undergraduate, TOEFL IBT 80/IELTS 6.0/TOEIC 700. Master's, TOEFL IBT 80/IELTS 6.0/TOEIC 700. PhD, TOEFL IBT 90/IELTS 7.0, or equivalent within last 2 years. Now let me break the eligibility down by study level. For undergraduate, the key requirements are age, 21 or younger. Education, must have high school diploma. If you already have a bachelor's degree, you can't apply for bachelor's. Submit CV in English or Bahasa. Recommendation letters: O Indonesian embassy/consulate from your home country, O employer/supervisor letter or statement if unemployed, O academic recommendation letter. Upload legalized high school certificate plus transcripts. Passport valid until December 31st, 2027, ordinary/work passport. 5-minute YouTube video covering profile, why Indonesia and why your chosen university and program. Medical report within last 3 months and required tests. For masters, age, 35 or younger. Must have bachelor's degree. If you already have a master's, you can't apply. CV in English or Bahasa. Embassy recommendation from your home country, plus employer/supervisor letter, plus academic recommendation. Legalized bachelor certificate and transcripts. Passport valid until December 31st, 2027. 5-minute YouTube video. Medical report within 3 months. Declarations: no marriage/engagement, not pregnant, no military service. For PhD, the key requirements are age, 40 or younger. Must have master's degree. If you already have a PhD, you can't apply. Supervisor recommendation letter from a KNB partner university, and it must match the university you choose. Statement of purpose/dissertation proposal in English or Bahasa, CV in English or Bahasa, embassy recommendation from home country, employer or supervisor letter and academic recommendation, legalized master's certificate and transcripts, passport valid until December 31st, 2027, 5-minute YouTube video, medical report within 3 months, and declarations. Now let's discuss how to apply. Here is the process you can follow. Step 1. Download the KNB Scholarship Offering Letter from the KNB website. Step 2. Contact your Indonesian embassy and submit documents to obtain the embassy recommendation letter. You typically submit offering letter, passport, CV, English test proof, employer/supervisor letter, academic recommendation letter, degree certificate and transcripts, medical report, and for PhD, supervisor recommendation plus statement of purpose. Step 3. Complete the online application and upload the required documents. Step 4. Complete the selection stages. This can include administrative checks, academic selection, and sometimes online interviews or psychological tests conducted by selected universities. Step 5. Check results. You can see that the selection results are published on the KNB website and also announced through the Indonesian Publication Network. Now I'm going to walk you through the official KNB Scholarship online application portal so you can see what information and documents you'll need at each step. This is the KNB Scholarship sign-up page. Here, please enter your email address and complete the quick verification, then click Submit. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation message telling you to check your email. This is where your account verification link will be sent. You will receive an email from KNB asking you to verify your email address. Click Verify and Continue to activate the account. Next, the portal asks you to complete your profile by entering your first name, last name, and password, then confirm the password. After that, click Submit to finish setup. Now you will be at the portal login screen. Enter your email and password and click Sign In. Once logged in, you can see dashboard and the application timeline at the top. To begin, click Create Application. The first section is personal information, where you have to fill basic details like name, country, citizenship, passport number, and contact info. Also upload a formal photo and passport document. Next is academic information. Enter your GPA type and score, English proficiency details, and last school/college. On the right, upload key PDFs like transcript, certificate, and recommendation letters, plus CV and YouTube video link. Here you have to select your degree level, then choose university and study program. Usually, you can pick more than one option. The portal also shows a university reference list to help you choose correctly. Next is Statement section, starting with a personal declaration. Read the rules carefully and tick the checkbox to confirm I agree before moving forward. Next tab asks general medical history questions with yes/no options. It's mainly to understand your health background, so answer honestly and consistently with your medical documents. Finally, Review and Confirm Submission section, where the portal shows a summary of everything you entered and uploaded. This is where you double-check details carefully, because once you confirm submission, edits may not be allowed. Once submitted, next step is verification process. Here, the scholarship team checks your application and documents to make sure everything is complete and valid. Nominating process. If your application passes verification, it moves to the nomination stage where the relevant authorities/university review and process shortlisted candidates. Announcement. Finally, the official results are published and successful applicants are announced through the portal and official channels. That's the full walkthrough for the KNB Scholarship. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Scholarship Roar for more fully funded scholarships.